Sunday. On Monday, I look why I observe sit at home every Monday. Before then, nobody considered our situation. Nobody involved us. At our absence, my guy was an service. I have to charge hotel and then I wasn't able to buy 9 of fake drugs. I am already fake drugs were better. So how do you look at the shop without our concept?
Those are good enough. Whenever I want to Christian for or also in the higher order. Everyone got by a teacher and then over the bridge. So why do you young government? There's no in the government. People are dying. So far, this incident, the 24 persons in number. I don't know one man slump that was a habulo. So far, 24 persons with family, within the feed by their side, within the hand and Yaraka. A lot of people are hopeless, homeless. So what? What is the intervention of the governor of this state? The governor, he came after 2 weeks. So he sent some of his staff, and they were sent back by the NAFDAC members. After 2 weeks, governor came. He now told her that he's not around, that he went on a mission, that he had been at Abuja. Now he promised her that 10 days from that day, that the market would be reopened. Ever since then, see now, the market is still closed down. Something how could men yes, able to register the line. I was a cable register the line. No London of Dakadia. Now the rock in your Adabukan or Bobu. When I had another John Dacho, Boyoko, where's I? Now the sheep should be careful. Then, since I was I was at 200,000. And then I only have for a shop. And that for a shop for 1.5 million. I was on a Burunga and Korea. Now check on the question was 1.5 million. Any consideration by the government because of the people? So far, there is nothing like consideration. If I now go even I got to fine according to your offense. I don't want anybody here with a shop. I say no false courage. I went find not on a shop. And I'm a long one at a fridge. For the injections, I'm at a fridge. I want a long one at a fridge. We deal on genuine pharmaceutical drugs.